In a land far away, nestled between the towering mountains and the endless sea, lay a small, peaceful village named Foldville. The villagers were known far and wide for their unique talent, the art of folding. One day, a young apprentice named Max, curious and eager, began to wonder, what is the true power of folding? He had seen his fellow villagers folding all sorts of things, from the most intricate origami to the sturdy, utilitarian baskets. But what was the secret behind this magical skill? Max decided to embark on an adventure to uncover the answer. He packed his bag with paper, scissors, and a heart full of determination, and set off towards the mystical Forbidden Mountain. As he climbed the steep paths, he encountered various obstacles, each one testing his patience and determination. One by one, he overcame them, folding solutions from the world around him. He folded a bridge from the branches of a nearby tree, a boat from a large leaf, and a tent from the very mountainside itself. Upon reaching the peak, he found an ancient, wise old crane. The crane, with a knowing smile, said, "Ah, Max, you've come to seek the secret of folding, have you?" Max nodded eagerly, his eyes wide with anticipation. The old crane folded his wings and began to speak. Folding is not just about making things smaller or creating new shapes. It's about seeing the potential in everything and transforming it into something useful or beautiful. It's about problem solving, creativity, and understanding the world around you. Max took in the crane's words, his mind buzzing with newfound understanding. He thanked the crane and began his journey back home, eager to share his new knowledge with the villagers. Back in Foldville, Max shared his discovery, inspiring the villagers to look at their craft in a new light. They began to fold with a renewed sense of purpose, creating more practical and beautiful items than ever before. And so, the village of Foldville thrived, their art of folding not just a talent, but a way of life. And Max, he became a beacon of inspiration, reminding everyone that the power of folding lies in the potential we see and the solutions we create.